I've got an SA200. It's a Lincoln Electric gas welder. It's from 1984. It's a black face. Gonna sell it because I pretty much don't use it. I use my other one. I went to start it and realized I haven't used it in so long that the battery's dead. Battery's back here. I don't have a door for it. I can just pull it out and charge it right where it is. But it's pretty old. I think I'm gonna disconnect it completely and charge it on the table. Everything's 1/2 inch. I use a 1/4 inch drive, snap-on. Stuff's like 30 years old. Set it to off. Let's get to work. Let's take it over the table. It's hard to see because of the sun, but if you look on the left, the charge percent, it's a little below 50. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take this off. I've got this battery tender that I bought whenever I had my Harley. Essentially, it just runs 12 volt at 2 amps. It was basically for the bike when it would be laid up in the winter. You keep the battery charged this way. So I'm gonna plug this in and let that sit pretty much overnight or even a couple nights and see if I can salvage this battery. Well, this has been charging overnight and the green light for charged is fully lit. Let's see. Choke it. It's a good sound.